welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Juanya. For those who are not familiar, thank you for clicking on this video today. Why did I do that? Thank you. Thank you for clicking on this video here. Today I'll be using the Subculture palette because, you know, it just screams fall. So I thought, why not pull it out and do a little look here, and that's how we came up with this grungy fall situation here. If you want to see how I achieved this video, keep on watching. Oh, actually I'm supposed to do let's get to the video. Let's get to the video. It's probably gonna be a while before I could do that without laughing, but yeah. Anyway, let's get to the video. Okay, first and foremost, starting off with an eyeshadow primer, I'm taking the I'm taking the Urban Decay Primer Potion, putting that all over my lid, and then I'm going in with this olive green shade by the name of Destiny from the Anastasia Subculture palette, and working that through my crease. This will act as my transition color. Just building up that outer corner, and then taking a little bit more and intensifying the color through the crease. And then I'll be going in with Axis. I think that's how you pronounce that. I'm not really sure. We're gonna go with it. Starting to build up this beautiful like peacock blue shade. I'm just softly giving it a nice flick. Gonna go with a elongated cat eye silhouette for my eyeshadow today. And I'm just working that through the crease and building it like so. Apparently I was feeling this song, work it out, dance it out, and then go back to blending like nothing happened. Blending out the edges of the shadow. And then I'm going to cut my crease using the Laurent Camouflage Concealer in the shade 435 Warm. It was nice and tacky. Just making sure everything is nice and crispy. And then I kind of lost some of my definition through there because, I don't know, the concealer was being weird. So I went through with a tiny, I think it was like a little e.l.f. concealer brush to get that definition back in the front of the lid space. Then I'm packing on Destiny right there at the outer edge of Axis. And then in the front area of that carved out crease, I'm mixing New Wave and Edge. I thought these colors were so pretty. With this palette, I ain't gonna lie to you. You gotta do more patting and blending. If you try to blend, you'll lose the color. As you can see over there in the corner, it's a little patchy, but I'll go through and, right here, I'll go through and start to build up that color intensity and to give me the opaqueness that I want. Make sure everything is nice and smooth and seamless. I'm just building that color up again and blending it in where it meets Destiny, and then also getting out the lower lash line. And then I'm going to do a dropped inner corner. I think that's what it's called. I probably just made that up, but yeah. I'm gonna do a dropped inner corner and, you know, block the screen so you can't see what I'm doing. Sorry. And then in the inner part where I kind of dropped it, I'm going in with a mixture of New Wave and Edge. And just building up the color to the intensity that I so desire. Hey, working it out again. Working. It's lit. I'm going back in with Axis and then putting it close to my lash line, only going about half of the way. Off camera, I put on lashes, and now I'm taking the shade Electric and using that as a highlighter. We put it on the little side of my orbital bone there, on both sides, of course. I will also be taking it on my brow bone, like so, and then a teeny bit on my nose and a little bit on the bridge. And then I'm taking the NARS Gloss and Super Vixen, popping that down as a base, and then taking Electric and patting that over top to give me a beautiful green shift that is cohesive with my highlight. And this is the finished look. She's serving you face, serving you looks, all the things. Alrighty, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I actually like using this palette to, you know, nice grungy fall look. Let me know if you want to see another look using this same palette, because it has, you know, it has great colors in here that are very fall. So let me know if you want to see more looks using this or any look in general. As always, I would like for you to comment down below, just say hey, or leave suggestions of looks that you would like to see next. Subscribe if you haven't already, and thumbs up if you like this video, and also follow me on the gram. That is all that I have for you guys today. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video and supporting me. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. I will see you next time. Bye.